Hello everybody. In this video, I want to introduce you to the concept of jobs within NoCode-X. A job is actually a piece of logic or a set of actions that is executed in a periodical way. So that means this actions or this set of actions will be executed every 5 minutes or every hour or every month and so on. Creating jobs within NoCode-X is actually really easy to do. So let's dive in right away. The first thing that you want to do is you want to locate the jobs button in the site navigation. And once you found it, you can click it and an overview of all the jobs within your application will appear. As you can see, I have no jobs at the moment, but I can change this by clicking the create button right here. What this will do is it will create a new job for me and it will present me with the job editing screen, which will allow me to tweak the job according to my needs. Every job that is created within NoCode-X has the name unnamed job, but you can easily change it by changing whatever is in this field. So let's just change this to my first job. I can pick an icon for this job to make it more recognizable within NoCode-X. And I can choose a description for this job for when I return within 6 months and I want to know what this job actually does. Let's hit save. Now, here you have the input field frequency, and this allows me to determine at which frequency this job should be executed. At the moment, it's set at paused, so that this actually means this job is not running. But I can change it to, for example, every 5 minutes, every 2 hours. I have plenty of options here. If for some reason I am missing the option that I need, I can always choose advanced here, which will allow me to add a cron statement, which will determine at which frequency this job will be executed. More information about cron statements will be added as a link to the description of this video. Let's just put it at every 5 minutes right now. So whatever this job will do will be executed every 5 minutes. But this job, of course, needs some kind of logic, which it has to execute. So what do we do with a NoCode-X? We link an action to an action trigger. So here we have the action trigger execution. And if we hover over it, we see that the description of this trigger is these actions will be executed every time this job runs. So if we add actions to this list of actions or to this trigger, these actions will be executed every 5 minutes. I can choose one of my existing actions, or I can choose to create a new action altogether for this job. So let's go ahead and do that. I created an unnamed action, and let's hit the edit button to start editing my action. Let's change the name of this action in my first job action. Voila. And let's now just write something to my application log. For example, let's write every 5 minutes to my application log. Now, since this is being set at every 5 minutes and my job is actually writing something to my application log, if I wait a couple of minutes, I should be seeing messages in my log. Okay, 10 minutes have passed. Let's open up our application logs and check if our messages are appearing. So as you can see, 2 messages have appeared stating every 5 minutes. So our job is actually working and it's being executed every 5 minutes. So that was that. Jobs in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about NoCode-X, please keep an eye on our YouTube channel. Follow us on LinkedIn and try out the product. See you later, guys. Bye.